interest. You won't find no better than this. I swear, girl, if you leave, just let me know so I won't look down you. Losing interest, you won't find no better than this. I swear, girl, if you leave, just let me know so I won't look down when you move on. Losing interest, you won't find no better than this. I swear, girl, if you leave, just let me know so I won't look down when you move on.
Something doesn't feel right. Circumstances got me broken from the feel like my whole life is a lie, and I'm looking for a way to get better. But lately my entire world's become gray, and the weather been cold as ever. That's my real life. I realize in my real life, even realize can't fathom that they wanna see me living like better, but then they never wanna ever see me living like better than them. And I'm a friend to them. What is a friend to them? If all my friends be enemies and I'm dead to them.